Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Steam Guard in Steam. Steam Guard is Valve's two-factor security system that protects your account, but sometimes you may want to turn it off temporarily while troubleshooting login issues or changing devices. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside the Steam client. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Steam guides. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into the account where Steam Guard is currently enabled. Once Steam opens, look at the very top left corner of the window and click on the option labeled Steam. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings, Dialogic Settings to open the Steam Settings panel. Inside the Settings window, focus on the menu on the left side and select the Security or Account section, depending on your Steam version. Here you will see the Steam Guard security options for your account. Next, click the button that says Manage Steam Guard Account Security. Steam will open the Steam Guard management page where you can control how your account is protected. On this screen, select the option that says Turn off Steam Guard. Steam may ask you to confirm your choice to make sure you really want to disable the protection. Review the warning message carefully and then confirm the change. And that's it. Steam Guard is now disabled on your account. Remember that turning it off reduces account security, so only do this if you truly need to. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Steam tutorials.